Hey everyone, feeling stuck in a rut or just looking for ways to boost your happiness? Stay fit and improve your health. You're in luck. Today, we're diving into 5 amazing hobbies that will not only light up your mood, but also keep you in tip-top shape. Let's get started. 1. Dancing. Fun meets fitness. Dancing is like therapy with a beat. Whether it's Zumba, salsa, or just grooving to your favorite tunes at home, dancing gets your heart pumping, burns calories, and releases those feel-good endorphins. Plus, it's a great way to express yourself and connect with others. Who needs a treadmill when you have music, right? 2. Gardening. Grow your happiness. Did you know gardening is a hobby that feeds your soul and your body? Studies show that gardening reduces stress, improves your mental clarity, and even lowers blood pressure. Plus, growing your own veggies or herbs means fresher, healthier meals. So grab those gloves and start digging. 3. Hiking. Explore and recharge. Nothing beats the great outdoors. Hiking isn't just great cardio. It also reconnects you with nature, which does wonders for your mental health. The fresh air, scenic views, and sense of accomplishment after reaching the top, it's the perfect recipe for happiness and fitness. Painting or drawing, art for the heart. Okay, so this one's more about mental fitness. But trust me, picking up a paintbrush or sketch pad is like meditation. Creating art lowers anxiety, enhances focus, and boosts your mood. It's also a great way to unleash your creativity and maybe even decorate your space with your own masterpieces. 5. Cycling. Ride to a better you. Last but not least, cycling is a total game changer. It's low impact, so it's easy on your joints, but it still builds strength, improves your cardiovascular health, and even helps tone your muscles. Plus, cycling through beautiful places is a happiness boost on its own. So there you have it. 5 hobbies that'll make you happier, healthier, and fit. Whether you're a nature lover, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone looking for a creative outlet, there's something here for you. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and share this video with a friend who could use a hobby boost. See you next time.